In this video, we will walk you through the full phone number setup inside Ava Voice AI. You will learn how to add new Ava phone numbers, import Twilio numbers, assign numbers to inbound agents and outbound campaigns, forward GHL lead connector numbers into Ava, handle common issues, and maintain phone number cleanliness for the best campaign performance. Every new Ava account comes with one free phone number. To add more numbers, navigate to phone numbers in your Ava dashboard and click Setup Phone Number. Select your configuration type, either get a new phone number, which means we are providing you with a Twilio number, or set up an existing Twilio number you have already bought and click Next Step. In this example, I've selected Get a New Number and will be navigating in the wizard to set it up. So select your country, either United States or Canada, then enter your desired area code. Ava will display available phone numbers matching that area code. Select your preferred number and confirm. If no numbers are available for that code, try nearby area codes to find available options. Choosing area codes that match your audience helps improve trust and pickup rates for your outbound calls. Similarly to the previous process, you can import Twilio numbers either during initial account setup or anytime inside phone numbers by clicking Setup Phone Number and choosing Set up an existing Twilio number this time instead. To complete the import, you will need your Twilio phone number, your Twilio account ID, and your Twilio auth token. You can find your credentials inside your Twilio account in the dashboard. Select Dashboard from the left sidebar menu. In the main section, find the account info area. At the top, you'll see your account SID. Below that is your auth token, which is hidden. Click on Show to reveal it. Keep both credentials secure. Once entered, your Twilio number will be fully available inside Ava and can be assigned to inbound agents, outbound campaigns, or projects just like any native Ava phone number. When creating a new inbound agent, you must assign a phone number. Ava will automatically warn you if the number is already assigned elsewhere. To update an existing agent's number, go to Agent Configuration. Scroll down to what number will calls be received at, select the new phone number from the drop-down and save your changes. Keep in mind that deleting a phone number assigned to an inbound agent will also automatically delete the agent. To assign numbers to outbound campaigns, go to Campaign View by selecting a campaign inside one of your outbound projects. Open the Settings side menu by clicking on the Settings button on the top left side of your campaign configuration screen. From here, select the phone number you want to use. Phone numbers can be reassigned at any time. You can share the same number across multiple campaigns. Inbound agents cannot share phone numbers with each other, but a phone number can be shared between an inbound agent and outbound campaigns at the same time. This allows callbacks to automatically route back into your inbound agent. It's important to remember that Ava phone numbers are separate from Go high-level lead connector phone numbers. They are not interchangeable. Phone numbers must first be created inside Ava for each sub-account. Once registered in Ava, those numbers will automatically appear inside GHL workflows when properly linked through sub-accounts. You cannot register a GHL native number and expect it to appear inside Ava. To forward your GHL lead connector numbers into Ava, first log into your Go High Level dashboard. Navigate to Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, click on Phone Numbers under the Business Info section to see your configured lead connector numbers. Find the lead connector number you want to forward. Click on the three dots next to the number and select Edit Configuration. Inside the configuration settings, locate the call forwarding or routing field. Enter your Ava phone number, including the full country code. Double check the number for accuracy, then click Save or Update to apply the changes. Now open Advanced Settings for the same lead connector number. Select the Voice Calls tab, then click Inbound Call. Inside the inbound call configuration, turn off forward calls to business phone number and turn off ring user assigned to called number. Additionally, review your voicemail and call recording options. Enable fallback voicemail for unanswered calls and configure recording if needed. Finally, test your setup by calling your lead connector number to confirm forwarding is successfully routing calls into your assigned Ava inbound agent. If calls aren't forwarding, double check that you entered the correct Ava number with the full country code. Verify your internet connection while setting up forwarding. Review advanced GHL settings to ensure business call forwarding and user routing are turned off. Confirm your Ava inbound agent is active and properly assigned. You can also review call logs inside both Ava and GHL to help identify where the issue occurs. You can assign multiple phone numbers across agents, campaigns, and departments to create localized experiences. Assign unique numbers for languages, roles, or geographic targeting. Use different numbers for sales, support, or inbound teams. You can also use separate outbound numbers for each campaign to improve tracking and attribution. Ava supports unlimited Twilio imports at no extra cost, and imported Twilio numbers function exactly like native Ava numbers. Before importing or using any number, always check for spam flagging using RoboKiller lookup, should I answer, Nomorobo lookup, and Google search using quotes. If your phone number is flagged as spam, it is extremely difficult to reverse. Regularly audit your numbers weekly, monthly, or quarterly depending on your call volume to protect your campaign performance. You can delete a phone number inside Ava by going to phone numbers and clicking the red trash can icon. If the number you delete is still assigned to an inbound agent, the agent will also be deleted. If deleting a number used in outbound campaigns, reassign the campaign to a new phone number first before deleting. Ava native numbers only support the United States and Canada. If you want to make or receive calls outside of these countries, purchase a Twilio phone number for that country, such as in Australia or the UK. Local regulations may require you to buy the number from a provider authorized to operate in that region. Once you've purchased your Twilio number, enable international calling through your Twilio account and then import the number into Ava. International Twilio numbers work exactly like any other number for inbound agents, outbound campaigns, and call forwarding. You are all set. You now know how to fully configure your Ava phone numbers, import Twilio numbers, assign agents and campaigns, forward GHL lead connector numbers, and maintain number hygiene for clean deliverability. If you have any questions, visit help.thinkrr.ai or email us at hello@thinkrr.ai. Thank you for watching.